Sending sensitive files securely by email is often a major challenge for users. WinZip provides you with a simple and secure solution to this challenge. WinZip offers you a highly secure encryption method when sending a file. FileLinker supports you by allowing you to use WinZip even more effectively and quickly. Click on the FileLinker icon in the right-hand corner of the taskbar. In the FileLinker menu, select the menu item file/path as zip with WinZip. Select the application you are currently working with and confirm with the Select button. WinZip will then open with the folder view in which the current file is located. Select the file you would like to send and click on the Email button. Confirm the process with the option Send only the selected files and folders in the zip archive. Specify a name for the zip file to be sent and click on the Continue button. Now select the compression type and whether the file should be encrypted. If encryption is selected, a password must be assigned and communicated to the recipient. Click on the Send New Zip Archive button. Now define your password and confirm your password in the second line. Click on the OK button to start your email program. The subject and the cover letter can now be changed according to your requirements. Click on Send to send the encrypted zip file to the recipient.